Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Ningakwadi ngoba nina nyanazi ngithanda ukuthatha into nifake la enhlizweni kade abathe sengizaleni. Is it me or ngizwe ngathi umfana lo uSibindi uthi angeke ayenze utirelo first wife? Like usafunana ne-V girl, usafunana ne-Chichi, guys. Please ngicela ningizwiseni because uMusa uye wabuza ke ukuthi just now because of uVuyokazi uthi awumfuni uqedile ngoVuyokazi and it's as if uMusa bekamfoster njengoba angasafuni uVuyokazi. Ambuza ukuthi manje uMakale yena uzoyenza into right na? Athi phuma lapho angike ngiyomandwendweni anytime. Guys, he better not marry any woman before utirelo. He better. Like ngizongena lapha eTV ngimshaye mina uSibindi.